Diadora is an Italian footwear manufacturing company based in Cirano di San Marco, Veneto, subsidiary of Georx, founded in 1948. Diadora produces football boots and athletic shoes, as well as a range of apparel that includes t-shirts, polo shirts, hoodies, jackets, leggings, shorts, and compression garments. Diadora also commercializes football balls in the US market. Diadora was founded in 1948 by Marcello Danieli, who first began working in the trade as a young boy. He called his company Diadora, a name suggested by a friend. The word comes from the name given by the Greeks of Byzantium to the Dalmatian town of Zadar. Originally called Galatra or from Zadar, it was mistakenly copied and translated from Dalmatian to Latin, becoming, along the way, Diadora. Danieli, helped by his wife, managed to successfully launch his first product, mountain climbing boots. The mid-1970s also marked Diadora's entry into the football category, aided by Roberto Bettega, who provided consulting information. The company also added the tennis market, signing endorsement agreements with Bjorn Borg. AC Milan striker Marco van Basten became the face of the company in the late 1980s, and launched his own personalized football boots, the San Siro Van Basten. Other high-profile football players under Diadora sponsorship have included George Weah, Roberto Boggio, Giuseppe Signori, Francesco Totti, Roy Keane, and Antonio Cassano. In 2008, Diadora Spa signed a joint venture with Winhandaki Holdings Limited, forming a new company called Winor International Company Limited that operates the trademark Diadora in China, Hong Kong, and Macau to manufacture, design, promote, distribute, and sell products bearing the brand in those countries. In June 2009, Diadora reached an agreement with Italian shoemaking company Georx's founder and chairman Mario Moretti Pelega to buy its assets through his family's investment arm, Lear. Since then, Diadora has sponsored several football clubs to provide them team uniforms, such as Norwegian Elite's Irian clubs, Viking FK, FK Bodo/Glimt, and I-League side Rangdaget United. In this last season 2021-2022, Diadora launched in Canada, and sponsoring Dynamo de Candiac club. From the 2022 to 2023 season, Diadora became the new technical supplier of Jaya Sunspor of the Super League, and also Megas Atok Gukyu in Northern Cyprus KTFF Super League. Even from the same season, Diadora will be present on the Danish First Division-like supplier of Helsingør and Vendsyssel at the Nordic Bet Liga. At March 2022, the N10 WTA Italian player Martina Trevisan has become new brand ambassador.